The YouTube channel Movie Coverage has got 1.1 billion views and 1.04 million subscribers. Every time they upload a video, they get a million views and more. And apparently from CPM calculation, they make starting from $7K to $112K per month from YouTube AdSense alone. And that would take you to $84,000 to $1.4 million per year of earning. But the most important part is that their videos are very short, 2 minutes, 1 minute, maximum 2.5 minutes long, or just 3 minutes long. And the biggest advantage of their channel is that these videos are not made by them. They are movie trailers. And look at the amazing number of views they have got. Uploaded 10 hours ago, 12 hours ago, 13 hours ago. And the views are 45,000, 25,000, 14,000, even 13 hours ago, one video got 78,000 views. They don't do anything at all. They just upload the trailer. Look,
Special Agent
it's
John
the
Hartley,
same
FBI.
sound they have received
Been tracking your...
with the trailer. They even didn't add a voiceover of themselves. But yes, they have definitely mentioned the copyright in the description. And of course, maybe they have done a little editing in maybe colors, maybe file, maybe audio to change the uniqueness of the video. So that's it. Take or borrow other people's movie trailers, highest quality, do nothing else. Just upload and get all these results. Oh my God, it's 1.1 billion views. But unfortunately, that wasn't easy. They did not get this result overnight. They got this result in 10 years, maybe 9 years more correctly. But yes, they have been consistently doing this for 9 long years. And look at the initial videos 9 years ago. Those videos got 10,000 views, 93,000 views, 120,000 views. Oh, you might be thinking, oh my God, that's big numbers. Yes, but these numbers came in 9 years. 120 views came in 9 years. Not in one day, not overnight. This video got 8 million views, but it was uploaded 9 years ago. Maybe it was ranked for a very lucrative keyword for a long time, but that's an exception. But yes, no matter what results they have got. Look at some of the videos, they got 3.8 thousand views uploaded 9 years ago. So in 9 years, they got 8,000 views, 3,000 views, 8,000 views, 8,000 views, but they still continued to upload. 1.1 billion views, 1 million subscribers, and this kind of income, which is pretty decent. So what's the takeaway from this video? Find a lucrative niche that has a lot of audience. Find a niche that doesn't need you to be more involved in the work. So you don't have to work actively, regularly, way too much. You can get results only from downloading other people's content and uploading it to YouTube. And keep doing it for a long, long time. And in the meantime, do what's working the best for you. That's what every successful business owner does, and every successful YouTube owner does. So that is it. If they can do it and thousands of other channels can do it, you can do it too. Go do it. Start today.